Late working on here for the pipe work. Security light here. Costs a few quid now to fix the bulbs and stuff and that. Or is it a new cave? That's a new camera gone up. Yeah, the new one, the ball camera. Contractors. My goodness, this is great country. They have great jobs, great jobs. They took off another camera, so they put on the ball camera. Fair to them. Busy out. Yeah. Sunday evening work. Very interesting. Triple time. Let it go out, go on. Let's think about. Triple time, would you believe? Small brother watching us. And gas out, huh? Plus, it's a good time to do work on a Sunday evening when there's no one around. Another one got up there. So.